How to remove objects in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you through how you can remove objects in your Photopea account. Now to remove objects in Photopea is very simple. Just follow me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. The first step is to log into your Photopea account just like I have done here, and you can go ahead and select a new project, or you can just drag files and drag your files from your File Explorer into this box. For me, I'll be choosing a new project and I'll be working with the template. Alright, so just scroll down to select the template that you would love to work with. Alright, let's check through. Okay, I'm working with this, and once you've seen the template, select it by double clicking on it this way, and then once you've selected it, it will load and then you'll be brought to the editor's page. On this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons. All right, you can see so many icons here. These are the icons that will allow you edit this template to suit what you want. Okay, so we have the move tool, we have that tool below the move tool, and just below it there is a magic wand tool. All right, so once you've seen this tool, you also see the crop tool, etc. Just ensure you locate the lasso select tool. Once you can't find this, go to the top part of the screen where you can see a menu displaying some tabs like file, edit, image, layer, select, etc. And then ensure you click on the search icon and then type lasso in the search bar. Once you see it, click on it. So this is the lasso tool, and then you click on the lasso tool box this way. Well, first of all, we have to wait for this page to load fully for you to be able to do that. And then once you've been able to select the lasso tool, the next step is for you to trace out the object that you would like to remove. All right, so I'm just going to trace this out this way, this way, this way, this way. All right, so once you are done tracing it, go to the top part of the screen and then you click on the edit icon. Once you click on the edit icon, a box will be displayed. In this box displayed, you would see the option fill. All right, just go ahead and click on it. Now this option is not activated because my page is still loading due to the poor internet connection I'm experiencing at the moment. But for you, once the page has fully loaded and then you've selected the lasso select tool, trace out the objects you would like to remove, click on edit and then click on fill. All right, once you click on fill, a box will be displayed, and then in the box select content aware. All right, content aware, and then once you select that, the object will disappear automatically. So this is basically how you can remove objects in Photopea. Very simple and direct. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.